We got a 67 Ford F-150 pickup, flame job on it. It's got the hot 67 flame. Looks like that's, I think that's well, that is a plate that's in there, man. Looks like it's so well meshed into the chrome there. It looks like it's part of the bumper, man. It's really good. So you got flames all the way down the side, up along the hard tine cover. Got your high back bucket seats in here. Tack on the steering wheel. Yeah. Big old mirrors. Got your gas tank behind the seat. That's where I like it. See, if you run moonshine, you can run a straw back there behind your seat. You can sip on it and run your car at the same time. See that? I'm not drinking all of it. That's my ghost thing, right? I'm always thinking. That's kind of cool the way the flames are on a back window too. It's like it blocks out the sun, blocks out people from looking in, but it almost looks like a reflection on the tonneau, the hard tonneau cover too. This thing's done very nicely, very, very nice.